Hey, what's up, Lens Livers? Today we have a guest. Yeah, my name is Ian. Okay, so you're Ian. Got it. Anyways, here's Ian. So he's gonna show you guys how to do this effect. And surprisingly, this effect is actually very easy to do. Stick around, I'll show you how.
What's up, my name is Ian, and right now I'll show you how this effect takes place. So we grab this clip, for example, and I'm just gonna show you guys really quickly what we do with it. We go to sample colors, and we grab the green screen, and we stretch it out throughout the whole footage. So we grab this one, we lock this track, and we go check where a good spot is. Bounce the footage by just exporting it and re-putting it in your project media, but I already have mine here. So yeah, I don't need to do that. So right now I am just gonna unlock this and delete everything. And we grab this footage. It's our bottom one. And then we grab this one on top and we wanna match this to here and a little bit further. Let's check how this looks like. We wanna grab this and we press chroma key and boom, there we go. Now you can go for edge feathering and everything, stuff like that to see this is what edge feathering does. So, but if you apply a little bit, it actually does make it a nice one, but not much. Then we go edge thickness, you dial that down all the way because it's the same scene. So this line, this as it was actually my line that I used that I can cross. And see, this just basically just means tolerance, so we can put that all the way to the max if you want to. Sometimes you have to mess around with that offset. Well, that does literally nothing right now because there's nothing to offset to. So yeah, anyways, we can just keep it like this and let's check how this works. Let's render it. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back. Let's check this out.
Hey, what's up, Lens Livers? Today we have a guest. Yeah, my name is Ian.
I see something that I have now again.
This effect, and surprisingly, this effect is actually very easy to do. So stick around, I'll show you how.
Now, how do we fix this? Because I just turned off this camera, which is pretty cool effect. I think I want to keep it in there. We just add this one, for example, right there. And it's very simple by just trimming this one right there. Now let's check this out one more time. We want to also trim this one all the way to the edge. Like so.
Guys, how to do this effect. And surprisingly, this effect is actually very easy to do. Stick around, I'll show you how.
I'm just gonna delete all this stuff. We don't need this stuff. And we are just gonna grab this. And we look for where that spot came in. Right there. We move back until that spot goes out. So basically right here is fine. Here is perfect actually. So we split there. And then we look at where that spot actually goes away again. Right there. So we, right here, we trim this again. Here we crop. Not the pen, we just crop. We want to keep the same aspect ratio, so yeah. But I know exactly where it will come. Okay, now let's see if this will work. Not that I am cut out. Okay, yeah, this is perfect. So now we press OK, done. And nobody will notice that that was even there.
Hey, what's up, Lens Livers? Today we have a guest. Yeah, my name is Ian. Okay, so you're Ian. Got it. Anyways, here's Ian. So he's gonna show you guys how to do this effect. And surprisingly, this effect is actually very easy to do. Stick around, I'll show you how.
I actually like how I logged off, here. It's actually, I wanted to keep that in because I think it has a very nice effect. But anyways, that is literally it. If you like this video, then please make sure you press the like button down below. And also subscribe for more. I post weekly tutorials and I will be seeing you guys in the next tutorial video coming up next Wednesday.